My name is Yudnaikamani. Number matric is 24-25 F1031.
Hi, my name is Amar Ifran, number matric 24-25F1042.
Hi, my name is Aryu Shahada, number matric 24-25F1039.
Hi, today we are going to presenting the wide-body aircraft, and that is Boeing 777.
Okay, then the specific model is the Boeing 777-300ER, which belong to the Boeing 777 series.
The triple series include variants like the 777-200 and 777-300, designed for long-haul flight. The objective of this video are to identify the main flight instrument in the cockpit,
Explain their function.
And relate them to modern digital technology.
Today, I will be explaining the primary flight instrument in the Boeing 777. The flight deck of Boeing 777 features a high fully digital glass cockpit system. The main flight information is displayed on the primary flight display or PFD, which is positioned directly in front of each pilot. Unlike traditional aircraft that use separate analog gauges, the PFD integrates all critical flight data such as airspeed, altitude into a single centralized display. The integration enhances pilot situational awareness and reduces workload, allowing for safer and more efficient flight operation. For the system explanation, the primary flight display receives data from multiple onboard sensor system. For example, the pedostatic system provides airspeed and altitude data, while the inertial reference system or IRS provides aircraft orientation such as pitch and roll. The PFD replaces several traditional instruments including airspeed indicator, altimeter, altitude indicator, vertical speed indicator, heading indicator. In addition, the system includes built-in warning and alert feature. For instance, the display will provide visual warning if the aircraft exceeds safe pitch or bank angles, if the climb or descent rate is too high, or if the airspeed approach unsafe limit. The digital integration allows faster data processing and support better decision making during off-base or flight. As an example, during takeoff, the pilot monitors the airspeed of the PFD to ensure the aircraft reach the required takeoff speed for safe liftoff. During cruise, the pilot continuously monitors altitude to maintain level flight and altitude to ensure the stability, and heading to stay on the correct flight path. Because all of this information is present in a single display, the pilot can quickly detect any abnormal condition and respond immediately. In a conclusion, these instruments are classified as primary flight instruments because they provide essential information about the aircraft speed, altitude, and orientational, also known as altitude too. These parameters are critical for maintaining safe, stable, and controlled flight. So that's conclude my explanation of the primary flight instrument in the Boeing 777. So let's move on to the next one. Let's go.
Now, I'm going to talk about the navigation and communication system in an aircraft. At the center of the flight deck, Boeing 777 contains navigation and management system. The navigation display and the management system provide the aircraft position, route, and weather information digitally. This setup allows pilot to access all critical navigation data from one location efficiently. The navigation display and flight management system replace the older tools such as paper maps, compasses, and manual plotting board. GPS sensor track the aircraft position while the weather radar show storm ahead. Autopilot can integrate with the system to follow a program route automatically. Digital processing ensure that the pilot can monitor the road safely and react quickly to any changes. Okay, here is the example. The pilot can follow the planned route using the navigation display and flight management system. If a storm is detected ahead, the pilot can use weather radar to avoid it. The autopilot can automatically adjust the aircraft headings, allowing the pilot to focus on monitoring the flight instead of making constant manual adjustments.
Okay, today I will explain about engine and monitoring. So, in the ECAS is a system in the cockpit that show engine information and warning in real time. So it replaces many old gauge with all one digital screen. I will explain about ECAS system. ECAS get data from engine and fuel sensor. So if there is a problem like engine overheating or fuel imbalance, it show a warning on the screen. So this help the pilot react quickly. Thank you. The example, pilot can check engine power during takeoff to make sure both engine and working properly. So the pilot can also check fuel levels and quickly respond if there is a problem with the aircraft. In conclusion, the Boeing 777-300ER is a wide-body aircraft with a modern digital cockpit.
Its flight instrument help the pilot to control the aircraft safely and efficiently.
Overall, this system improves accuracy and reduces human error during flight.
That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.